Welcome to our Excel tutorial series. Today, we'll be diving into one of the most powerful functions in Excel, VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP allows you to search for a value in a column of data and return a corresponding value from the same row in a different column. To use VLOOKUP, simply type =sign to start a formula, then VLOOKUP followed by an open parenthesis. First, we need to specify the value we're searching for. Next, we specify the range where Excel should search for this value. Now, we need to tell Excel which column to look in for the corresponding value. Finally, we specify whether we want an exact match or an approximate match. To summarize, begin by opening the formula with VLOOKUP. The first variable is the input of the cell you want to look up in the data table. In this case, our input is the student ID in cell B1. But remember, before entering the next variable, you must add a comma, otherwise it will mess the formula up. Try for yourself to see what happens. Next, you want to highlight the data table where the information for your lookup value lives. In this case, we want to look up student ID and return the correct corresponding information for that student ID's name, age, gender, and grade. So we will go to the worksheet that has our table, which is the gradebook worksheet, and highlight the table array, which is A1 through E6. After entering a comma, we must enter the column index value. This value is referring to which column the output data lives in. In all VLOOKUP formulas, the first column is the one our lookup value lives in, the next one is the second, and the one after is the third, and so on. In our example, name is in column 2, age is in column 3, gender is in column 4, and grade is in column 5. Once we identify and enter the correct column index number, insert a comma. We can finally end the function by entering a true or false. True means to find an approximate match, whereas false means to find the exact match for the lookup value. In most cases, we use false. I'll make another video later to dig deeper into this matter. Close the function with the closing parenthesis and hit enter. And there you have it. Excel has performed the VLOOKUP and returned the desired value. And that's how you do a VLOOKUP in Excel. Stay tuned for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.